First and foremost, me, one Sabas, want to say big up to Father God, same way, and big up to my subscribers and my viewers and all who watch my channel. I appreciate it, I swear to God. So now, we're going to talk about Jahshii performance and Demarco after this.
Take a good look, we shall be good job, even at the cost of. Yeah, the boy shall tell me how the good look. You think of that, even a chat, straight to the action. God send the house, just nation, they say they never see you. They want to see them every man. If you got that, it's an artist, we go so far. We shall be off with you. Outside, so the rules matter. No, stop it, man, how we do?
Baby, na G-Modis, 4 series, parkside, a cheese store. On the balcony, living like a little tourist. I really hate you, to see me now, the deep, so quick, don't know me, I'm a dig up, them off, big money. How we are really no talk for them keep up. We are the hard, now we juggle in a creep up. Really, for that, you know it's it, bro. Say, Cash Money. You know, represent for the go-getter, them, you know, a Young G event. Run it same time. Go and go tell them how I belong. Anyway, in the world, man. How far over here, they say get here. They say get my piece of land and stay, so. Watch that style, yeah. I don't feel, me never complain, man. Rough me as kind of taboo, say, oh, me do me vote fake. Me no failure. Me nah no fi losing I game. Trust me, 25 to 90 got you for. Say a 25 here for the data. Me say the food that we make and we no cater. Man for the paper, nobody. What I know, we don't give millions fast for the PayPal. Architect, we draw the experience blood. Supermarket, spark on the haters. A couple nights, let's start to the haters. Cause my pre-life right me now. Me say where else see that them then I even boy. Who don't give me a signal, so what I know, you don't see to your house again. Do this again, I do it. Fight success. Now reaching out with that. Really nobody only for them money know that. You don't think our First Nation in our place. You know a Young G event, so the half there no matter what though. I've seen them in one more hard time. Memories in the past. You see me? I've seen them in one more hard times. Memories in the past of my heart. I've replaced. Oh, we come alright. 1 25 years again. We say people that be nice 6 and no say them now I blood them time. Anyway, we want poverty, we keep for that. You understand? Who's like in the bird, in the family them. If I know First Nation, they know what. They put them back in the past, but make they see them. And I know them, I go sorry, me not sorry for them. Never complain, happy living. They not show the world, say me a the difference. Somebody not tell the traffic at the events. And the cream and the cup, what it a the difference. Motivate the youth, men them know the pocket is on. By the black is the men, say, I am me never fall, I rather cut in yourself. Travel me down with them gravity weights. Say your powers no more prayer, got you no bliss. And I never want me no for my catch them. Top stripe, all me just manifest. They say fire for make your father proud, give me a signal. So, me a boy with my mother for proud. Anything myself, make some no man a same time. Take Cash Money. You know, get to work, I won't leave for them, you know. I take off my glasses so I see what I go. Come on, see if no First Nation fans there in a Young G party, you know. They say, go on, see if no Jahshii fans there in a Young G party, you know. Now, man, I lie. Them can't fool me, I must be retarded. Fight me often, regardless, me not. Small like that way there. Next one, I want to hear the Cash Money, but I tell you I won't leave for them. Just picking up the pieces. No massacre fans there, yeah. When you can sing massacre parts for me, and then we don't sing my part and fuck up the place. How we go? Only thing we worry about that. God, them want to get you out. Every time we be in paradise, me and them. Long story short, watch out. We just picking up the pieces from the personal life and my journey. I'm on a warrior that we stand sturdy. So we don't worry at night, we don't worry at day. Oh, what we do? We picking up the pieces. Take the really love them, we know the street. Let me go. Don't leave for day since me over here and say, son, make sure you're alright, make sure you're stress free, make sure you're not worry yourself. And you know what me say? Left that. Oh, me don't worry, you feel when you try different. I figure the house, they make that they try the bends. See a man who say get to use it, I feel it, I live this with a fish. And that's what to you know. Next man, I know me alone there, I know. I know me alone there, I know. I know me alone there. That one day when me tell you play, boy, you play. Me say the one when me tell you play, boy, you play. Active.
General. What you say? Let me see all of the real bug buckle out, girl, is here. When the boss shall be out for me. Straight. I'm going to General Jahshii up far, you know. See you then. All of the girls, them all of the culture. All right, look, so they up. I'm going to say big culture. If I told yourself, me clothes clean, straight is a real. When you look, they cheat them, check it. I'm gonna put that. I say I work with somebody, then they come up on the table and they say it's not real. And somebody come on the man around the table. Say, hey, yo, take a good look. We say we don't talk, even at the condo. Yeah, the boy can't tell me I'm a good look. You think of that then? Even a chatter, straight to the action. Guns and tacos, just nation. They say they never see them. They back to them and respond. If you got that, it's a officer. Because of this is the last video. Outside, so they lose my time. Don't stop it, man. How we do? Don't you ever stop it. They know the ball. They know get to worry. Alright then, what I tell them? No fear you, man, but God fear him. The private and travel with the cat here. I want to real lady and that. What you say? Alright. Remember me tell you about bad mind friend. Mother. I'm going to say from it on your back, them on your life. Yeah. You represent for us and them know. Hey, I'm going to tell you this. When you put time, you can't play hard then. When I swap next side, you go hard then. How are you say? What you say?
Viewers and subscribers, first and foremost, I want to say great performance by Jahshii and also great performance by Demarco. You see me, I say a long time when I see a stage performance with Demarco, and you see me, Demarco seems like him still have it. You see me, I say him still have him talent under lock and key. Big up to Jahshii and the movements where him dep and see him way. Big up to Jahshii fans, family. You see me, everyone. You see me? Right now, I like the look. You see me, unity in a dancehall people. If me wrong, just leave it in the comment section. You see me, I say, if you don't like the stage performance with Jahshii and Demarco, just leave it in the comment section. Same way, people. And blessings to everyone. Please like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a
when them know about casting on this, party party, and I will go Jahshii can alright, this is up in the Whoopie Friday. This is somebody Saturday. You have a problem. This one that, you see from them violate market, you know the thing go. Oh, Safi burn down. People have to run away. Send them to me. I told them that, I will say this is from a fallen soldiers. We miss you.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another upload. Today we are starting to have different. You see me, I say today we are going to talk about Jahshii. And also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. Thank you so much.